Imagine a world where life could thrive better than it does on Earth. A place with stable climates, abundant water, and perhaps even more suitable conditions for life than our home planet. Just a few decades ago, this idea belonged to science fiction. But today, thanks to groundbreaking discoveries, scientists believe such planets, ones potentially more habitable than Earth, may actually exist. And we're finding them faster than ever before. We used to think Earth was special, but with over 5,300 exoplanets discovered so far, we're learning that habitable worlds might be common, and some of them are far more intriguing than our own planet. Could there be a super Earth with better conditions for life? Could we someday colonize these alien worlds? Today, we explore the most promising candidates and uncover the surprising truth about planets more habitable than Earth. When searching for habitable planets, scientists focus on one key factor: the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. It's the region around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist. But does being in the habitable zone guarantee life? Far from it. Factors like atmosphere, magnetic fields, and even planetary mass all play a role. Some exoplanets may have stronger magnetic fields that protect against solar radiation better than Earth's. Others might have thicker atmospheres that regulate temperatures more efficiently, creating a stable, life-friendly environment. Could there be planets out there where life thrives even more easily than it does here? The answer is more fascinating than you might think. One of the most intriguing systems we've found is Gliese 667. Located just 23 light-years away, this system is home to a small, dim red dwarf star, Gliese 667c. What makes it special? It has multiple Earth-like planets within its habitable zone. Gliese 667cc is often called the Holy Grail of exoplanets. It's about 3.8 times the mass of Earth, meaning stronger gravity, but its location in the habitable zone suggests liquid water could exist. Scientists speculate that if it has a thick atmosphere, it could even have Earth-like temperatures. But there's a catch. Red dwarf stars like Gliese 667c are unpredictable. They emit strong flares and radiation bursts, which could strip away a planet's atmosphere or make it hostile to life. If Gliese 667cc has a strong magnetic field, it might be shielded from these dangers. But we won't know for sure until future missions study it further. Let's imagine you could visit Gliese 667cc. Because of its higher gravity, everything would feel heavier. If you weigh 165 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh around 265 pounds there. Walking might be exhausting. And then, there's the sky. The main star, Gliese 667c, would glow a dim red, casting eerie shadows. But two other stars, Gliese 667a and b, would appear as bright points in the sky, possibly visible even during the day. With the right technology, could we one day settle on Gliese 667cc? If we develop ways to protect against radiation and adapt to stronger gravity, it's possible. And the same goes for other potentially habitable exoplanets. But there are even better candidates out there. Gliese 667c isn't the only system with exciting possibilities. Astronomers are now finding super-Earths, planets slightly larger than ours, but with conditions that might make them even more suitable for life. Some may have larger oceans, stronger atmospheres, or stable climates that could support complex ecosystems. One example is Kepler 442b, a rocky planet about 200 light-years away. It receives just the right amount of light from its star and has an 80% chance of being rocky, meaning it could be a more habitable version of Earth. Another TOI 700d is located just 100 light-years away and sits in the habitable zone of its star. Future missions may reveal if these planets have atmospheres that could support life. With each new discovery, our understanding of habitable worlds expands. Advanced telescopes are now being designed to detect biosignatures, chemical signs of life, in exoplanet atmospheres. If we find oxygen, methane, or other markers, it could mean we're not alone. What if we really do find a world that's better than Earth? Would humanity leave its home behind to start fresh on a new planet? Or would we stay and protect what we already have? These discoveries don't just teach us about distant worlds. They remind us of how precious our own planet truly is. The search for habitable planets is more than just science. It's a journey to understand our place in the cosmos. What do you think? Will we find Earth 2.0 in our lifetime? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the universe, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.